Hello friends, welcome to my channel VAGPE Media. This is Follow Me, and in today's tutorial we are going to create amazing NFTs for free with the use of Canva. Well, let me show you a few of the examples which I have made. This is one of the metaverse category NFT. This is also the same on the same theme, and we would be making something of this sort on tiger theme today. Now while I'm talking about, you see, these are the different type of NFTs I have made under same theme, which is a tiger theme, right? So while we are creating NFT, two things are very important, two factors. One, you'll have to select one theme for which your NFT should be a niche or a theme or a subject matter on which you would be creating in your NFT. That way you can create a dominant position in this volatile Bitcoin market, right? And the second thing is, in NFT, when you're creating, you'll have to create different versions of one subject matter, right? Like here, I have used the same face of tiger, but I have changed the background. I have brought some elements. I have made some other theme around this tiger, but the main subject matter is same. You see, this is also the tiger, but using a glow effect and a different background. I have created this. So this is what NFT is all about. You'll have to. So today, whatever we would be using, that would be for free, so that you can start creating your amazing NFT. That is one thing. Second is, we would be also telling you. I would be also telling you where are the virtual marketplaces where you can basically sell. So let's begin. Let us go to our home page. There could be two ratios. One is by logo templates, you can do it. So this is the ratio where we can do it. Otherwise, you can go to this create design and you can use Instagram post. Instagram posts ratio is 1080 into 1080. This is also an exact ratio. So I have taken this. Now I'll go to element. As I have told you, I will use the tiger. So I'll type tiger. Now here I got so many options which are free. You see, these are all free tiger faces. So I can take any of these. So there exactly this face I took. So I'm taking the same one for you. So first thing is, take it, make it of a size and position it in the middle. Just position it in the middle. And go to position, as because it is at the center and in the middle, these are not applicable. If it is not at the center, if I can bring it here and come here, it will come on center and middle. Okay, so likewise you will have to fix the space. Now you'll simply have to duplicate it. Now you'll have to go to the background and you'll have to type background here. Suppose I want a savanna background, and let us see what comes in photos. So I got beautiful savanna background. I have taken this one. So I will just select this. I will just click on this. Okay, this is a pro one. I should not be using. Let me take some free. Like this one is free. So let me use this one. Okay. So I'll just bring it here. I will go to edit image. I will do a little bit of editing out here. Let's make it a little greenish tint and make it little bright. Contrast I will increase a little bit. Saturation I can increase a little bit to make this green more vibrant. I can make it a little bit blur. I can make it 4ish. Okay, so 4 is not exactly prominent here. 10, let me see. Yeah, so this is okay. Now I will have to go send it to back. So right click, send the image to back. Okay, now you can add another element here. Suppose I want a crown or a hat. Okay, so I will type hat and I got a few. So let me take this one and just make it an angular hat and just bring your tiger a little bit downwards because we need to accommodate this hat. Now I'll have to go to edit image and I'll have to go for drop shadow of the hat. Now I got this beautiful drop shadow. Now I'll have to go to this adjustment option and I will reduce the blur and make the angle little more and offset little more. so that it is visible. You see, when I'm increasing the offset, this part is getting visible. Okay, and I will increase the blur a little bit. Okay, and apply. So this is my second version of my tiger is ready. Now again I will come to the first slide. I will duplicate and bring it downwards. Now I need a pipe. I will create this particular NFT. I will go here and I will type camp. Now let me see if the camp picture I have taken, it is free only. Okay, so I'll take this. I will go to edit image. I will just adjust the brightness a little bit more brighter, and I will make it little greenish, or it is okay. Now saturation I'll adjust a little bit. It is 25 saturation and contrast 19, and blur I'm keeping somewhere around 10. So let me keep it at 10. I'm good with it. I'm okay with it. Now right click and set it as background. Okay. Now I will select the tiger. I'll go to element. I will type pipe. Okay, and I have taken this pipe, or this pipe rather. This pipe I have taken. So I will just shift the tiger a bit. I need the pipe here. Now you see the pipe is not looking that realistic. Now you'll have to just come here, select this tiger face, duplicate it, then go to crop. Okay. Now I'll have to just minutely crop this part. Tooth, and you'll have to just bring it here. You'll have to match it with the background. Okay, now you by the right left key, you just match it with the background. Select this, press shift, select this and this one, and then group together. Okay, now they are looking a bit of kind of realistic, right? Now I will need a smoke, so I'll type smoke. I think I took this one. This is also a free smoke. So I will just take this. I will change the color from white to gray, and black is okay. So I will just make it little smaller, and I will tilt it a bit, and I will press it here. Okay, so it looks like it is going up. So you can duplicate it. You can just overlap these two and go to position and go to backward. That way you can do and give it a little transparent effect, and then again you can duplicate it. You can do one thing, you can just flip it vertically. Okay, likewise you can create beautiful NFTs. Now the question is, once my NFTs are built, where do I sell it, right? So this is one of the most popular website, Binance NFT. So you can sell your products here in Binance NFT, and I am also going to show you some other options. So these are also Gamma.io, Binance, Crypto.com, FTX.com, OpenSea. These are all reputed platforms where NFTs are sold and purchased. If you want to get some inspiration, you see the NFTs, as I told you, these are much complex one. I have shown you a very simple form so that you as a beginner can even try it and start earning something. Here you see the theme face is same. They have taken one kind of absurd tiger face, and they have kept on changing theme in this blazer, in this coat, and the color of the coat changes in every NFT. This is the theme. They have taken theme of this, and the background changes, associated elements there they have changed. So on tiger, you see this is Meta Tiger Club. On Meta Tiger Club, so the theme is this creator's theme is on tiger. So one more thing I wanted to show you, which is how I made this effect. I would be coming up with a live session on coming Thursday. These recording also will be available. If you miss, the live session happens on every Thursday at 9:30 p.m. IST. Now if you by chance miss that live session, you will get the recording in my YouTube channel as well. So I promise I would be giving you the idea of this one and this one in the upcoming session. I'm not covering it in this tutorial, but I will definitely cover this one. Okay, how I created this beautiful effect. So let's see. So first thing is, I'll have to just come here and duplicate. Okay, now first let us play with the background. Let us take a savanna. So let me take, this is a free forest picture. Okay, let me take this one. Now I have to make it, this is not black and white, I'll have to make it black and white. So keep it selected, this is a free version, so don't worry about it. Go to this adjustment remains open. Okay, so you just reduce the brightness a bit. Okay, and saturation you'll have to type -100 and you'll see the magic happen. Right now I can just increase the contrast a little bit and add a little bit vintage also. Okay, and then right click, send it as background. If you want this to be a little blurred, then it's up to you. You can just reduce the transparency, come here, see it, see all, then you just blur it to maybe 4. But as because this is a monochromatic thing, don't blur it too much. Now is the second part. This is the first part, this is called monochrome, and next is this, how I made this one, right? So I will have to come here, I'll have to first I'll have to go to element and search for frame and enter, and I have chosen, you can choose any frame, I have chosen this frame. This is also a free frame. Okay, you can feel free to use it. Now make it large, position it here. Now you bring this, keep it here. Now bring this tiger. Okay, bring this tiger and edit image, go to Trippy and use this split option. Okay, and then you bring the tiger here inside it. Just have to hover around and then you just bring the tiger's face this way. Okay, so we want the tiger's face to be visible. Now you enlarge it. Okay, so the first part, this first part is over. Now we will concentrate on the back part. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll keep it selected and I will come here and duplicate. Now bring it here. Now again go to edit image. This time you search for duotone. Okay, yeah, duotone is here. If you don't get it, no problem, you just search for duotone, enter, it will give you this option. There you will get everything. Now I have taken this Sophia effect. There are many other effects, you can play around with this. You can even make different NFTs just using duotone only. Okay, so I will just use this Sophia tone and it will automatically change it to Sophia tone. If you want to change these colors, if you want to change the intensity, you know, so for me this is okay, so I'm not going to do anything. So you can play around with it and I will apply it. Okay, once this is done, then again I will come to adjustment, I'll make it little brighter. Now I will have to make it little large as well. Now I'll have to place it over this face and then go to position backward. Okay, now you can basically play around with it. If you want to make it a little larger, you can make it and then you can place it in order to make sure that your backside blur theme is coming out. So this is how I actually created this effect. Now because of the pro background, this is giving a better meaning, as if this tiger is trying to attack these buffaloes, but here I have shown you a free theme, so this is also pretty good. See, all these NFTs I created just using free elements in Canva, and that's the spirit of Canva. So that was pretty much it. After this, once it is done, you go to share option and go to download, and you can choose either all of them or you can select a few which you want to download, and after that it's just you make done and it should be in PNG. If you are giving any animation, you can give different animations out here from this animation tab. If you are using animation, then MP4 should be the format, and then you start downloading, it will get downloaded in download folder, and then you can choose any of the reputed platforms I have already shown you and just move ahead and sell your NFT and earn a lot of bitcoins. So friends, if you liked my today's tutorial, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I have also created a complete Canva playlist where you'll be getting such different elements, usage and tricks of using Canva. So hope to see you in my WhatsApp group, and Facebook group, and I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Don't miss my live session on Thursday 9:30 p.m. IST. I look forward to see you on my live session. Till then, stay safe, stay legendary.